my hand is the nearly 40-page document that details why it's against the executive order. Advocates, attorneys, and even 200,000 life members of CASA believe it violates the 14th Amendment, which has existed for centuries, even before the Civil War.
This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the United States.
Good. That's a good one. Birthright. That's a big one.
President Trump issued the executive order to reverse birthright citizenship and stop granting citizenship to children of undocumented immigrants born on U.S. soil. Nick Katz, general counsel of CASA, says the organization filed a lawsuit against Trump and his administration.
Obviously, we view this as a frontal assault on the Constitution.
The organization actively supports its members by providing resources, outreach, and counsel to working class, Black, Latino, Afro-descendant, Indigenous, and immigrant communities. It says this assault undermines the vital work CASA performs for these communities.
That hurts not only CASA members, it hurts everyone in this country, right? The Constitution is the backbone of our system of government and what our country is built upon. So although we're going to bring this suit to protect the interests of our members, it's much bigger than that.
CASA, the Asylum Seeker Advocacy Project, and 5 undocumented immigrants are filing the suit together.
These assaults by President Trump on basic protections like birthright citizenship cannot go unchallenged. And so we are acting at their direction with their leadership.
In the nearly 40-page document, a Jane Doe from Prince George's County is included in the lawsuit and is directly affected by the executive order. She is an expecting immigrant mother who's due in July 2025 and already has 2 daughters who are U.S. citizens. Her declaration stating, quote, she is afraid that her child won't have access to health care because they won't be eligible for federal benefits, adding she, quotes, feels it is deeply wrong to subject an innocent newborn to such cruelty.
You could even have a situation where children are born stateless, right? Because they aren't able to access citizenship from the country of origin of their parents. And so if they aren't considered U.S. citizens, they literally have nowhere to go.
A Jane Doe from Montgomery County has a pending asylum case and is in the U.S. with her 12-year-old daughter and unborn child. She states in the suit, quote, she is worried that her child will be born without a country as a result of the executive order, since she is afraid to return to Colombia.
And the idea that the president would strip their children of their basic citizenship status is just absolutely repugnant to them, and it should be to anyone who thinks about it.
While the lawsuit states the 14th Amendment language is clear, the executive order states the provision rightly repudiated the Supreme Court of the United States' shameful decision in Dred Scott versus Sanford, which misinterpreted the Constitution.
We're the only country in the world that does this with birthright, as you know. And it's just absolutely ridiculous, but we'll see. We have very good grounds.
Now, the executive order is set to take effect in 30 days. However, several lawsuits have been filed against the reversal of the 14th Amendment, including the ACLU and 22 state attorneys, including Maryland. For now, in the control room, Sierra Williams, WMAR 2 News.